In a bid to equip young learners with the tools they need to thrive in today's complex world, a one-day seminar tagged Smart Teens Workshop has been held for public secondary school students in Lagos. The event, organized in collaboration with the Mastermind Community Foundation, focused on developing emotional and social intelligence among teenagers.
We are catching them young, we are nurturing them, we are, creating that enabling environment to say what? You first of all understand your emotions so that you will be able to manage the emotions of others and relate well with people. Because in all of this, people management is very key in your huge success. So you need to know how to have emotional resilience and be able to have emotionally to work with people and socially do things with people by expressing empathy and showing motivation when it's needed.
The workshop featured sessions on self-awareness, empathy, decision-making, conflict resolution, and leadership.
You have to be emotionally intelligent. Control your feelings. Control your feelings. Don't let what you see around dictate your life. Because your life is not dependent on other people's. But you must not equally use how you feel to destroy other people. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I congratulate you for coming to this meeting, and I hope at the end you will go home more socially intelligent and more emotionally balanced.
I would tell others, enlighten others about emotional intelligence and social intelligence. Like, they should not be too lonely all the time. You should always interact with people, and anytime they are angry, they should try and be calm and breathe in, breathe out so that they can be calm.
Ability to understand and express your actions and the actions of others, and also learn some signs of, like, maybe when you do something that is more encouraging to others, like how to calm yourself down, like the breathing in and breathing out, the sense signs, and also the count down. So today, after what I've learned, I also try to help others in various aspects, both in their educational aspects.
Speakers emphasized that equipping teenagers with these non-academic skills will not only help them thrive in school, but also prepare them for the workplace and the broader society.
If you make 1,000 friends every day and you spend 1,000 years on earth, you can never befriend everybody. But it's a very good idea if they put on good spirit, they relate with people they meet every day very well, and they have at the back of their minds that that person will eventually be useful to them in the future. So it will adjust the way they relate. They should accept themselves, look inward, and identify what their abilities are. That is when they are emotionally and socially intelligent.
It is very, very important to have this social intelligence and emotional intelligence to be able to navigate the journey of life successfully. So it's very important, it's very germane, it's very, very crucial to this 21st century education and our teenagers.